Imagine walking across your living room and suddenly feeling unsteady, like the floor is shifting beneath your feet. For many older men, this is not just a passing moment, it's a daily reality. Balance problems are one of the leading causes of falls, injuries, and even loss of independence in later years. But here's the good news: most balance issues are not just because of old age, they come from a handful of common mistakes that can be prevented or corrected. In this video, we'll uncover the 7 most common mistakes older men make that lead to balance problems, and more importantly, how to fix them so you can stay strong, confident, and steady on your feet. Balance isn't just about standing upright. It's about independence, safety, and quality of life. According to health studies, nearly 1 in 3 men over 65 experience serious falls every year. But here's the surprising part: most falls are not random accidents. They are the result of overlooked habits, lifestyle choices, and simple mistakes that add up over time. Today, we'll go step by step through the 7 most common mistakes older men make that cause balance problems. We'll also share practical solutions for each mistake, easy tips you can apply right away to regain stability and reduce your risk of falling. So let's get started. Mistake 1: ignoring muscle weakness. Why it happens. As men age, muscle mass naturally declines, a process known as sarcopenia. Without regular strength training or physical activity, the legs and core muscles weaken. These muscles are crucial for balance. When they weaken, even simple activities like climbing stairs, standing up from a chair, or walking across uneven ground become risky. Many older men assume that just walking around the house is enough exercise. But the truth is, without targeted strength exercises, muscle loss speeds up, leading to shaky legs and instability. How to fix it? Incorporate strength training at least 2 to 3 times per week. Simple exercises like squats, step-ups, or resistance band workouts can make a huge difference. Don't forget your core muscles. A strong core stabilizes your entire body. Try seated leg lifts, gentle planks, or even yoga-based stretches. Aim for consistency, not intensity. Even 15 minutes a day can reverse years of muscle loss. Think of your muscles as your body's shock absorbers. Keep them strong, and they'll keep you steady. Mistake 2: poor posture and sitting too much. Why it happens. Modern life encourages sitting, in front of the TV, at the dining table, or during long rest periods. Over time, sitting weakens posture muscles and causes rounded shoulders, a forward head tilt, and tight hips. Poor posture shifts your center of gravity, making it harder to balance. A hunched posture also reduces reaction time. If you trip, your body can't respond quickly enough to catch itself. How to fix it? Stand tall exercises. Practice standing against a wall with heels, shoulders, and head touching it. This trains your body to remember correct posture. Break sitting time. Stand up and stretch every 30 to 45 minutes. Add flexibility routines. Yoga or Tai Chi improves posture and balance together. Invest in a good chair that supports your lower back if you sit for long periods. Posture is like the foundation of a house. If it tilts, everything else becomes unstable. Mistake 3: ignoring inner ear, vestibular health. Why it happens. Your inner ear is your body's natural balance system. It detects movement, orientation, and spatial awareness. But as men get older, the inner ear becomes more sensitive to changes, and problems like vertigo, ear infections, or fluid buildup can cause dizziness and imbalance. Some men also ignore early signs of inner ear issues, such as ringing in the ears, occasional dizziness, or loss of hearing, thinking it's just part of aging. How to fix it? Regular hearing checkups. Don't just test for hearing loss, ask about balance health too. Hydration and diet. Too much caffeine, alcohol, or salt can disrupt inner ear function. Vestibular exercises, gentle head turning, gaze stabilization, or balance therapy can retrain the brain to handle dizziness. Seek medical advice if dizziness is frequent. Sometimes, balance therapy or medication is needed. Balance is not just in your muscles, it's in your ears too. Treat them with care. Mistake 4, skipping vision care. Why it happens. Vision plays a huge role in balance. Your eyes give your brain information about the environment, stairs, curbs, or obstacles in your path. Older men often delay eye exams, assuming glasses from 10 years ago are good enough. But conditions like cataracts, glaucoma, or age-related macular degeneration creep in silently, reducing depth perception and contrast sensitivity. The result? Missteps, trips, and falls. How to fix it. Schedule annual eye exams after age 60. Update your glasses prescription regularly. Improve lighting at home. Bright, non-glare lighting reduces accidents. Use high-contrast features, dark tape on stair edges, bright rugs. Your eyes are your balance guides. Keep them sharp to keep yourself steady. Mistake 5, wearing the wrong shoes. Why it happens. Footwear is often overlooked, but it's one of the biggest contributors to balance problems. Many older men wear slippers, sandals, or worn-out shoes that lack grip and support. Some even wear shoes that are too loose, increasing the risk of tripping. Thin soles can also make it harder for the feet to sense the ground, reducing stability. How to fix it. Choose supportive shoes with non-slip soles. Avoid heavy shoes that drag on the floor. If indoors, use non-slip socks or sturdy slippers with grip. Replace shoes regularly, don't wait until they are completely worn down. Good shoes are like tires for your body. Worn tires make accidents more likely. Mistake 6, ignoring medications and side effects. Why it happens. Many older men take multiple medications for blood pressure, diabetes, heart health, or sleep problems. Some of these drugs, especially sedatives, painkillers, and blood pressure medications, have side effects like dizziness, drowsiness, or lightheadedness. Often, men don't connect these side effects to their balance problems. They assume it's just aging when, in fact, it's the pills. How to fix it. Review medications with your doctor at least once a year. Ask specifically, could this medicine affect my balance? Never stop medication on your own, but do discuss alternatives or dosage adjustments. Keep a diary of dizziness episodes to show your doctor. Sometimes, it's not your body failing you, it's your medicine. Stay alert. Mistake 7, underestimating hydration and nutrition. Why it happens. Dehydration is more common in older men because the thirst signal weakens with age. Even mild dehydration causes dizziness, confusion, and imbalance. Poor nutrition, especially low vitamin D, B12, magnesium, or calcium, weakens nerves and bones, further increasing the risk of falls. Skipping meals, excessive alcohol, or relying on processed foods all make the problem worse. How to fix it. Drink water regularly, even if you don't feel thirsty. Eat a balanced diet rich in lean protein, whole grains, vegetables, and healthy fats. Focus on bone and nerve nutrients. Vitamin D, sunlight, supplements, fatty fish. Calcium, dairy, fortified foods, leafy greens. Vitamin B12, meat, fish, fortified cereals. Magnesium, nuts, seeds, legumes. Limit alcohol and avoid skipping meals. Balance starts from the inside. What you eat and drink fuels how steady you feel. Balance problems are not an unavoidable part of aging. They are signals, warnings that something in the body needs attention. By avoiding these 7 common mistakes, older men can drastically reduce their risk of falls, regain independence, and live with confidence. So, the next time you feel a little unsteady, don't just blame old age. Ask yourself, am I making one of these mistakes? And more importantly, am I ready to fix it? Because staying balanced isn't just about avoiding falls, it's about standing strong in every aspect of life.